going to add 3 bananas cut up into little pieces. And here's the second one. And finally the third one. Now we're going to squeeze up some orange juice from 1 orange only. And then we're going to smash it up. We're going to smash it up with this tool. You can use any tool you have, but just make sure that the bananas end up very soft and mushy, kind of like baby food. Like very mushy, and yeah. Okay, so here's the result and how it should look like. It looks kind of like an oatmeal or a baby food. Now we get a separate bowl, and we're going to crack 4 eggs. And then you're going to get a blender and just start blending it until you get kind of like a white foam. This should take around 8 minutes. So we have already blended it all up for about 8 minutes, and you are gonna get this foam, this yellow foam, and it inflates a lot. Now you add 4 spoons of diet sugar. Now this step is very important. You're going to mix it kind of like in like a circular motion, because we don't want to get the air out of this foam. And the reason why we're doing this kind of circular motion is because we want to be really careful with the foam we just blended, because if we mix it normally, all the air is going to come out of it and it's going to become flat again. Now we're going to add 2 cups of almond flour. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now a teaspoon of baking powder. Finally, we're going to add the bananas and the orange juice we smashed up earlier, and we're going to add it to the mixture. And now we're going to add cinnamon powder. It could be any amount. It depends how much cinnamon you want, or you could add no cinnamon. Now we will preheat the oven we're going to use. We have to spray the container we're going to be using with cooking oil, but you can use this container that's for bread loaf, or this container that's for muffins, but we just happen to use this one. Now we pour in the batter we just made into whatever mold you have. case, we are using an air fryer called Omo here, and we're going to put the option right here that's called baking, and we're just going to use 30 minutes for now. And it turns out that it actually took only 15 minutes, half of the time, because we checked on it and we put in the knife, and right here, as you can see, it's clean. And that means they're ready to go. Okay, now that the muffins or like the banana bread is finished, I'm going to be trying it. So, it's really good. I like it a lot. It has that taste of banana in it. I definitely recommend this. I hope you like this video. And if you do, give it a like and then subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And hope you do the recipe. I really do recommend it. And it's kind of like a healthier version. Bye.